drill, it'll evenly go on there.
Yeah, because this hole's about a 16th shorter than 16th lower from the bottom of it than that hole.
Does it make sense, Russ?
Yeah.
Drill a teeny bit. You just make the hole bigger and then you adjust it. That makes sense.
All right, so we've got the template up. We made a template ahead of time and we marked the holes that are on the back of the plaque. We marked the holes on the template. And then we put the template on the wall in the place where we want the plaque and make sure it's level. And now we've got a hammer drill with a ceramic bit, concrete bit, and drilling our holes. And now on the back of the plaque is pre-drilled, and we've got our bolts that we put in. Let's see if you want to get where's our, okay, you want to just gently tighten the bolts because you don't want to tighten them so hard you go all the way through the plaque and
chances
You tighten that upper one.
Yep. So you get all 4 bolts put in. Well, that's not going to make it. We're going to have to drill all 4 holes now.
We can take them back out. It's up to you.
Well,
You want to just start with the upper hole first? Hey Russ, I don't even know if this is on.
yeah, you're filming.
Oh great. Hey guys. Sure it's not
Now
slow-mo?
remember how to film. You don't
Well,
wiggle around, you know.
Really?
I film for a living, so I got it. Okay. Here
Oh,
we go.
that's the wrong person filming then. I do photographs, not film.
Yeah, so it's just this rock dust. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So let's take off the 2 bottom ones.
Do you want to go get the blower to blow them out?
Yeah.
I'll let you.
All right, so now we've got our 2 top holes, and we've got, show them where we got the bolts on. We've got only 2 of the bolts in. We're going to slide it in and kind of make sure we're level. So that
Looks. We need to go
Crooked.
up.
That's crooked. That's
We
what
need to
we've been
go.
saying,
We
yeah.
need to go down. So what we need to do is move it. Drill the one on
this
the.
one needs to go drill down a little bit.
Okay.
That'll be easier than
Okay.
let this. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Can you wait? Let's get the level up there and see how much. Did we go the wrong?
Can we look behind?
I may go up on that one and down on that one.
Yeah. So I would just go down on the one looking at right here. See on the side.
I would say go up on that one, at least be behind.
Probably go up on the right.
I'd go up on the right one, that
Okay.
way it's behind the...
All right.
That's why when it's not flat, the paper.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Love it.
I would go...
It was nearly a half inch.
Well, you can measure from
I'd
the
go.
other one.
Yeah, I would. Need a stool.
Okay.
Want to blow
Is
it
that
out?
what we're thinking?
I think that might
You
be
need to go down on this one.
Just gonna do that. Now I'll stick it back in and
All right,
See
let
what that did.
me blow it out again. So is that looking better? Yeah.
Better. Well, I'm still off.
that one top
Go down.
sticking out.
Go.
So
I would just go down on the one side.
on the left.
Yeah. Then it's gonna even out the. Want to try it one time? You didn't have it pushed all the way in.
It's pretty close.
Yeah, it's between the lines, but it's still a little.
So this
High
side
on
can
the
go
left.
down.
Yeah, just teeny. If you
just
look
a
right
little
here,
bit. Okay. That's better.
I would say teeny bit, not very much. That's one nice thing is you can adjust it, make the hole bigger, and then you just then it makes it easier. And you don't want to go too much either. It's like just barely. You want to keep playing adjusting, you know what I mean?
Okay. Okay, your turn.
Your turn.
That's as far as it's gonna go because it's hitting that spot right there. So that's
Yeah.
That's
All right, where he's holding it, that's good.
yeah, that's right.
That's no, that looks
Right on the money there.
That's good. So
Okay.
just have to make
Looking
sure-
good eyeball wise. Okay. All right.
So now we just need to do
Now you just need to measure. You gotta measure it from the thing though.
measure what exactly.
The lugs on the back.
Right. Get the holes where we want them.
Okay, so
Now you want to
where's
measure.
your tape measure?
It's right here.
So on this
I think-
side.
I guess the top one's the most important part because
About
that's gonna.
19 inches center to center on that one, just to make sure.
Same.
It's about 19 and a quarter on this side. So on,
Okay.
on that side, 19 and a quarter.
So it's
Okay,
gonna
but
be down
19
lower.
and
Up
a quarter
at the
from
top.
the top,
Right.
or the center of, kind of a little higher because we want it to go
Where your mark is, that's about 19
pretty
and a
close,
quarter
huh?
there.
Okay.
And this one,
19.
maybe 19, that one's a little low. That's about almost at 19
Okay.
and a half.
So
So
let's.
let's do that one and see where we're at.
This bolt's just a hair.
We need to tweak it.
I would tweak it before you put it in.
Hang on.
Is the bolt just a little? Is it not drilled square? So it's
Hang on. Where is that one in over there?
Yeah,
both of
both
mine
are
are in
in.
on my
Okay,
side.
this one can just go up a hair, or we can look and make sure the.
I would go make the hole bigger.
Okay. Ready? Pull it out. Got it.
I can
what I
hold
do.
it. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm getting out of the
Yeah,
way.
you're good.
I'm not gonna be blowing around.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, hang on. Let's don't go too far.
Well, no, I'm just
That
making sure
looks-
it's seated.
Sweet.
Make sure we did
How's
good
your-
though. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right on?
Yeah, between the lines.
Okay. Now we've got the holes all drilled where it's level, and the next thing, we've blown out the holes so there's no loose debris in there, and then we want to fill those holes with Gorilla, with our construction adhesive, so that the plaque
Will not get stolen.
can stay.
So it doesn't get stolen.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay. So now we're going to take the construction adhesive. We're using heavy-duty Gorilla Glue on this one. We're going to fill the holes with this, and then also some of the high spots on the. Okay, so now that we've got the glue in the holes real good, now we're going to just push it back up and push it in, and then
Okay.
it's going to stay in place and seat, and everything will be
Okay,
great.
sounds
We got
good.
it to work.
Yeah.
That looks
Finally.
like a
Thank
much better
you.
one.
Yeah, no, it took
We're gonna
both
throw
of
the
us.
other one in the garbage.
No, we got it.
All right, here
Okay.
we go. Oh wait, let's get a paper towel and get this little streak off here.
Oh, go ahead.
Any other high spots you want to take? A little too.
I don't think so.
Although, do we want to get some more on the?
I think it'll be fine.
All right, here
At
we
least
go.
it's not too gooey or the other that.
Nice.
You might want to get a paper towel behind here just to kind of clean up
Yeah.
the dangle and stuff. To just clean it up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
That's as far as it can go.
But I can hold this.
So the only thing that some people do.
Here, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I would probably. It looks good though.
No, it looks good.
Looks really good. Here, let me see. Yeah, it looks good.
Just in case. Not that I think it's
I don't think it's gonna
anywhere.
go. I don't think it took two of you to push it in. It's not gonna go anywhere.
But just because he's working behind me.
Yeah, that's right. Looks good.
Yep.
Okay, there's your name right at the bottom, Danny.
Yep, right at the bottom.
That's right there. There's Danny's name.
Nice.
Looks good.